Hello, this is Hassan Villa again. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'll be showing you a website where you can be able to download contacts for free, and it's a free website though. Contact for free. All you have to do is to follow some few steps, which are also free too. It's not cost. It doesn't cost anything. So it basically a website that actually gives you contacts after you put your own. So let's drop into it. Now the name of the website is WhatsApp Status Views. WhatsApp Status Views.com.ng is a Nigeria-based website. So it was this website for those that are into business, like into bags, shoes, clothes, whatever business you're into, and you need contact to be able to view your products. So you can see, say, want to increase your WhatsApp status view. We're going to scroll down. We're scrolling down. Oh, sorry, but sorry for network lagging behind. So I'm having a poor reception right now. So I'm going to scroll down. It takes to the part where we can put our information, so that we can start going. Okay, so there's a phone number, that's the name. So we're going to put our name, any business name we want to put at all, any name you see being fit that you want to use for your own business. Like I'm going to put Hassan Villa Graphics. Hassan Villa Graphics. You can use any name you want to. You can use your personal name. You can use your business name. But I advise that you use your business name so you can post. You can send a signal of what you do. So moving down, we're going to choose the sex, male. Obviously I'm a male. Then after that, we're going to the phone number directly. Then you see the phone number part where it says don't forget to add country code PB2 plus 234. It's very important you add country code because it saves your contact as that and it's easily distributed. So we're gonna press OK, submit. So it says, hey Hassan Villa Graphics, thank you for your submission. Please come back by 9:30 p.m. to download your compiled VCF. So this is the compiled VCF. So we're gonna go up. You will see I'm gonna show you how you can download your compiled VCF. Now you see the sandwich icon by the top right corner. Now you click on it, you see download VCF, then you hold on, network is loading, then you scroll down. Okay, so now you're gonna see different dates: 19th, 18th, 17th, 16th. Now you're gonna download which one you day or which you want, which started giving you a number because it's a daily basis. So click on download, then click on agree with terms and conditions services. The download icon pop up. Then for the iPhone users, I want to show you how you're gonna install your contact in case you don't know how to. So you click on the top right corner, the arrow that goes up. You click on it. Then you see all the contacts. Then you click on contact. You click on contact. It's gonna pop you different options like install all contacts or don't all contacts. So that is how iPhone users on is right now. I would like you to subscribe for more of my YouTube channel. Click on notification bell so you're gonna get lovely bell notification when I upload. Thank you very